So here we are at Palmer Sports. We've just tested our 3.2. We've just tested our SC and we're now about to test the 3.2. So this kind man is going to help us test it. So again, same as before, this red line's at 7,000 RPM. So actually, I've just realised something. It doesn't redline at 7,000 RPM, it redlines at 6,000 RPM.
Okay, we'll do it at 4 then.
So we do it at 4. Ah, okay, so maybe now the SC will pass. So, yeah, okay, 4. Right, so sorry. So we're gonna do the test again.
Yep.
On the 3.2, and we're going to rev it to 4,000 RPM.
2/3 of maximum.
2/3 of maximum. Right, let's try that. And you can come over and you can see the rev counter. So that's the one there. So we're going to aim for 4,000. Right, here we go. Okay, so that was just a tad over 4,000. How did that do?
Yeah, so we're recording a reading there of 99.8. So that would be a pass. Our limit is 101.
Okay, so what's the difference between 100 and 101?
It's quite a big jump, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not a linear increase.
Right, okay.
So yeah, at 99.8, I'll be confident you'll be able to enjoy the full day with us.
Yeah, okay, so drive the car at its full potential.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so there you go. So it sounds like we're just under, but we're actually not. There's quite a difference between 100, is it DBC or DVA? DVA, so it's a difference between 100 DVA and 100 DVA and 101 DVA. It's 1 DVA, and yeah, so that is a logarithmic scale, isn't it? So yeah, so we'll come back to that.